Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here is how to upload your YouTube videos using your phone in 2024. What we need is our YouTube app, YouTube Studio. You can download any of this app on either your Play Store, Google Play Store or Apple Store. As a new YouTuber, these are what you need when you want to upload your video. One, your content, your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is a picture people get to see when they see your video on YouTube. Thumbnail is very important when you want to upload your YouTube video. I'll be showing you what a thumbnail will look like before the end of this video. But let's bear it in mind that it is very important and you have to make it very attractive. So now you can actually upload your video using your YouTube app itself or your YouTube Studio. What I do most of the time is I use my YouTube Studio to upload my video, because on the YouTube Studio app you can actually upload a longer video. But most of the time, if you want to upload something like your reels, your shorts or go live, YouTube app itself is advisable to use. So here is how to upload your video using your YouTube Studio app. Click on the app, allow it to load, click on the plus sign. It's going to take you to where your video is on your phone. Click on the video you want, and over here you can actually upload your thumbnail. If you click on it, it's going to take you back to your gallery where you are going to choose the thumbnail that you want to upload. So like I said before, a thumbnail is a picture people get to see when they see your video on YouTube. So this is what this video thumbnail looks like. So I'll just click on it and click on next. It's already uploaded. So the next thing is your video title. You have to add a title to your video. So this video, I want to title it how to upload your YouTube videos using your phone. I wanted to add in 2024, but it's going to be too long and it's not necessary since it's already on the thumbnail. So I'm just going to leave it at how to upload. Then I'll go to description, what the video is all about. That's what I'm going to put there. But what I normally do, I usually prepare my description somewhere, either in my documents on WhatsApp or something. So I'll just, when I'm ready to upload, I'll just go there, copy the description and add it, because most times it's usually long and I don't want to be typing every time. So that's what I want to do now. Go to my WhatsApp, copy the title. Trying to copy the title already prepared. If you want to read the title over there, it's actually not for this video. It's for a video that I've uploaded before. I'm just using that as an example to show on this video. So I will add it back, take the arrow back, and there are some options there too. You can either decide to make your video public, put it on unlisted. Unlisted is not going to display yet until you put it on public. So another option there is author content. You get to read what is there and you choose the one that is appropriate with your video, that goes with your video. Yes. So in my own case, I'm just going to click on no, because my content is not authored. And another thing there is, if you want a comment on your video, you can either choose, like you can turn it on or turn it off. So in my video I want comment, so I just turned it on, and I think that is all. Another thing is your video tag. Video tag your YouTube video tag is actually important, but I don't have time on this video. I don't want this video to be too long. I already made a video about how to add YouTube tags, so you can, I'm going to link the description, like I'm going to link that video on the description box, so you can just watch it if you want to know what tag is, how to upload your tag, the importance of tag and all of that. So I've already done that. After you have done all of that, you can just click on next and it will upload. You automatically see the video on your channel. Thank you. Please do like, subscribe, give a thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Bye.